it's Yono back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you the modern house. And this is a really cool map because it's next to a village. It has like 2 pools and it's really big. So let's just get into it. Description, which will bring you to the map, and that's how you could import it to Minecraft. As you can see, level import finished successfully. But this is like the modern house mansion. As you can see, it is right next to a village. Whoa, this house is really big. And as you can see, we already see a pool right there. There's like a whole pathway. It's really cool. So let's just get to the part. Ooh, here's there's like a side. There's like some flowers. Oh, there's a pool. We'll get into that in a second. So let's just walk up. And then we go to the pool. Oh, damn, there's like some like seeds in there or whatever. Okay, so we're walking. Oh, there's another pool. Check that out later. Some flowers. Let's enter the house. Let's close these doors so we can make it better. We got a cartography table. We got an upgrade gear. This is really cool. We got some chests. Ooh, a large chest. And then we got the blue glass pane. Ooh, this is where the second pool is. Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, that was the other room. Let's get into the pool. Damn, so nice. Okay, let's get into the next room right here. As you can see, ooh, wow, lighting. Oh, as you can see, we're in this room. Iron armor. Let's equip that. Ooh, iron leggings. Ooh, oh, I broke that. Oh, by accident. Oh, there's like a thing. There's armor. Let's try to put it back. Alright, let's try to put it back. Oops, I broke it. Okay. But this room is really cool. It's got some blue glass pane, as you can see. Wow, this is really cool. Let's just throw that out. Oh, large chest. Oh, some beds. Oh, I like the color blue, but my favorite color is purple. Okay, let's go downstairs if I can find it. Oh, there's upstairs, but we'll get into that later. Wow, there's a cake down here. There's some sticky pistons. Oh, here's the TV. Lie down on the couch. It's really cool. And oh, enchanting room, as you can see. Wow, what's in this chest? Oh, nothing. Oh, my iron leggings. Let's try to put that. Ooh, level 3. Let's get that. Put that there. Let's put it on. Wow, protection 1. That is actually really good. Okay, let's enter the bathroom. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a bathroom. As you can see, there's a mirror. There's whatever that is. I think we have a leaking problem. Okay, let's get to the next room. I don't know. What is this? I think it's like an underground kitchen. This looks like a dungeon. Okay, let's get to upstairs. As you can see. Oh, wow. Okay, well, let's go on to the first balcony. Oop, I fell off. Wow, let's go. Back up. Alright, wow, this is a really beautiful view. As you can see the sky, you can see everything. Let's go on to the second balcony. Oh, this is where you can see the desert. Let's get to the first room. As you can see, wow. Whoa, this is pretty big. Yeah, I think this is like a mini table upstairs, you know, great view. Oh, there's a pool next to this room. I don't think there's a bed here, but there's a pool next to this room. That's really cool. Let's go here. Okay, let's go to the other room upstairs. Just like a little stair. Oh, wow, let's look at this green room. Whoa, oh, some diamond armor. Oh, wow, green bed. Oh, wow, very cool. Jukebox. Ooh, a painting. Ooh, broke it. A chest. Wow, this is really cool. Wow, this is really cool. Oh, and the diamond armor, I have a resource pack on, so it's Mayo from last video, so that's why it looks, but it's diamond armor. Let's close the door, and now let's see the outside of this. Wow, bro, this is so big, and it's next to a village. You can see a little farm out there. Wow, and the front yard is so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. This was Yono back here with another video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.